Hey guys, Mike is back with another video. Today we're gonna take a look at the Sony SSCS5. This is the most panicked, and you watched a lot of YouTube videos. Everybody's like singing like a birds, how these speakers are amazing, all that stuff. And I have Polk Audio's XT20s. This is the different the monitor series, all that stuff, right? We're gonna do the next video on that one. Douk Audio, I did the AMA the version this amplifier, and these amplifiers is like a little tiny monster. They sounds really good. Today we're gonna take a look at these Sonys, and I'm gonna tell you my honest opinion because I bought these speakers for my hard-earned cash. So all my videos, as you know, if you're new to my channel, guys, definitely watch my other videos. I always give you the honest truth because I'm buying this stuff to review it, not like getting for free all that crap, right? So Douk Audio, I'm gonna record, so make sure it's nice quality sound. Douk Audio, this is a tube amplifier, and I have a 4C P3s. This is not in the market yet, tube preamp. I had a couple of 4C amplifiers. This sounds amazing. This one also still in the Kickstarter, 4C audio, right? We're gonna do the video about that. I'm gonna connect those. I'm gonna run, and I have a tons of amplifiers waiting to run these speakers on the amplifiers, and we're gonna find out, right? So I'm gonna run a lot of music, guys. So let's play some music. We're gonna start from the flat, and we're gonna give you a lot of clarity, a lot of bass. We're gonna run these speakers like a distortions. These are three ways, right? 1, 2, 3. Tweeters are 53,000 hertz. So they advertising 53 kilohertz or 53,000. So on 5-inch drivers, this one is going to be 6.5 drivers. So we're going to go it's a 40,000 hertz on the Polk Audio, but we're going to compare that, right? So what are you going to get? After 16, 17,000 hertz, you're not going to hear anything, right? So they advertising 53,000 hertz, so we don't hear all these up notes, but they say you're gonna feel, not hear, you're gonna feel the clarity. These tweeters not gonna produce enough power so you can hear it. These guys gonna be produce enough power. These guys gonna produce enough power so you feel that, so clarity. So I think it's all the, upper clarity wise, it's all advertising, because I'm going to run this side by side. Anything over 20,000 hertz, you're not going to hear it. It's made only for, for the microphones, machines, or raccoons, or, the rats. All right, let's play a lot higher and shake these speakers up, right? filtration is going very good. So the woofers gets exactly what the range they tune it, and is not getting a lot of clarity to the woofers. 1-inch tweeters and the 3/4 tweeters making the good difference. Of course, 3/4, 1-inch is gonna get a lot louder. So 3/4, you're not gonna hear that much difference when it's a lower tone. When you give it some juice, it gets loud. When you close, it's gonna be start playing these little 3/4 tweeters. Alright, I have my Bowers and Wilkins. If you didn't watch my other videos, I tested my Bowers and Wilkins. Those speakers are a lot, 6-7 times more money than these. And I have a Kef speakers, 8 times more money than this. And now I'm gonna say this is not the best. Like, if you have the YouTubers like panicking, all these, you know. Alright, so those are not the best sounding speakers, guys, right? But when you see the price, whew, you can't, for the price they're offering right now, you can't get the speakers that sounds similar to this. So they say, oh, this is audiophile, blah, blah. No, these guys, yes, sounds good, sounds decent. Only things I'm going to use, this is like a computer speakers, all right? If you, the guy who's just, you know, using the sound bar for the, so for the main source, main watching videos or the listening to music sound bar guy, and you update for this, sounds way better than any sound bars, for sure. Any Bose, any, you know, the big name sound bars. But if you compare with the decent, like real guys in the market, these are not the best sounding speakers, right? So for the price, again, you have no match how much they are the offering. Being that 5-inch woofers, they're not the deepest sound, deepest bass speakers for sure. Clarity wise, you can find the different speakers, more details than these speakers. But when you come back to this price, those speakers are going to cost you a lot more money than these speakers. And side by side, not just looking for the price. When you see the side by side, top like around $1,000 speakers, these speakers going to be sounding a little better than these, little better than some speakers. It's going to be on my channel. You're going to watch it, right? So let me play one more music. I'm going to go a lot louder. right, so conclusion, again, they're destroying with the price everybody else in the market. First, if you have a nice amplifier, decent amplifier like these guys, mix it. Next video is going to be that. Of course, you're going to get very, very quality sound for that price you guys paying, right? I want to listen to these Polk Audios X2, and we're going to connect these Polk Audios too. And Polk Audios fit and finish, it feels a little bit expensive speaker, even the grills, materials. Only the two-way, that's monitor series, this 40,000, as I say, it hertz. It's gets 53,000. We're not gonna hear it, but we feel it. So the tweeters, yeah, they're loud enough, clear enough, and the place nice enough. So again, when you see, this is not the best sounding speaker in the market, but when you see the price, it is of course best sounding speaker in the market, because you're not gonna have any other speakers sounding exactly the same like these Sonys. If they jack the price up again, of course it's gonna be a different story, but the price they offering right now, that's crazy deal. Right, let me connect the other the amplifiers. I have a bunch of amplifiers to test, and it's going to be similar videos with the different amplifiers, and we're going to see how these bad boys will perform.